Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see some iPhone iMessages trick. For that, open your phone and go to contacts and select the contact you want to send the message. Once you have selected it, type the emoji you want to send to the user and press hard on the send button. Then you'll see several variety of option. You can do slam, loud, gentle, and make it to full screen as well. As I have shown you, you can simply click on the screen and it will be all over your screen. So it is very nice iMessage emoji trick you can try with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.